everybody and happy October. Today I wanted to show you how to make a shabby chic pumpkin dress. Here's all the measurements for the face pieces that I'm going to be using. Except for the straps. I change the straps later. Starting off with my pumpkin pieces, I'm going to lay down a piece of fleece and then my 2 orange pieces, right sides touching. I'm going to pin them together all the way around and then sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Once that's done, I'm just going to clip all the way around this so that I can turn it and make sure that it's all smooth. Now I'm going to pin up the bottom and then top stitch it all the way around. Now I'm going to take the stem pieces, face them right sides touching, sew all the way around and leave an opening to turn right side out. I'm going to sew the leaf pieces all the way around and I'm going to let the edges fray. I didn't have to make this many because I only used 1. Now taking the stem, I'm going to put it at the top of my pumpkin, like so. And we're going to sew that down. Then place our leaf where we want it, and also sew that down. Now taking some lace, I'm just going to cut it into strips and then twist it like this, pin it down, and I'm just going to zigzag stitch this all the way around my pumpkin. Now it's time to put the face pieces on. So I'm just going to lay those out how I want them, and I'm going to zigzag stitch all the way around all these face pieces. Now moving on to the skirt and the straps, you're going to cut 4 that are 15 inches by 5.5. And for the skirt, you're going to want to take your waist measurement times 2 and the length of the skirt you want minus 44 inches by 15 inches. I'm going to hem up the bottom by folding it over and over again and top stitching. Once that's done, I'm going to finish off the top edges by zigzag or a serger. With right sides touching, we're going to sew down the side seam. Once that's done, it'll look like this. Moving on to the straps, we're going to put them right sides touching, sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Clip the corners, then turn them right side out. Now we're just going to top stitch all the way around both of them. Back to our skirt, we're going to go ahead and make our casing by folding down 1 inch. Sew all the way around, leaving an opening to put our elastic inside of. Now take elastic that is your waist measurement minus a couple inches depending on the stretch. Put a safety pin to it and then feed it through your casing. I like to pin down the edge so that it don't go into my casing. Once that's all the way through, you're going to sew your elastic pieces together and sew your casing closed. Now you have a skirt. Finding the center of the skirt, you're going to lay your pumpkin on the top and pin it down. Flip it over to the back, and you're going to stretch it and pin that down as well. And then you're going to zigzag stitch this on. Moving on to the straps, I wanted to add a little pleat to the bottom, so I'm just folding it over on one side and then folding over again. And I'm going to sew a line right here to hold it together. And your last step is to sew it onto your pumpkin the way you like. And that is it. I ended up putting 2 lines down the front because I felt like the front looked a little bit strange. But here's the finished dress. I think it's super, super cute to wear to a pumpkin patch or just a way to use up your scraps to make something shabby chic. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.